All right, guys, what's going on? Mikael Bennett here, aka the Credit Bull, and today what we have is a case study of one of the actual members and one of my students inside of my whole credit packages and everything like that. He's probably been through every credit program we got, right? So you can introduce yourself, let the people know who you are and where you're from.
Um, first off,
Oh,
my name's
Ash.
Kimon. First off, my name's Kimon Jefferson. 23-year-old who seek credit and financial stability and understanding it. And I got that from Mr. Mikael Bennett with the Credit Bull. And hey, man, it's been to the moon from this point.
Okay, so my first question is, where were you at in your credit journey before we met, before you got any of my products or anything like that?
Before I got any of your products, I was lost. Just pretty much surfing the web, trying to figure out what is it that I need as a young adult. What do I need to establish to accomplish the things that I want?
Uh-huh.
But when I got with your program, it literally put me in step by step what I need to know and how then I could accomplish everything that I need to do. And it gave me little small goals and milestones that I could check off.
Okay, so I guess a question I would ask is, did you purchase any other courses and stuff like that on fixing up your credit? And like, what was
Yeah,
the difference? Or like,
yeah,
what
I
was your
actually did.
experience?
But the actual difference was I was speaking directly to you. That was the
Yeah,
difference. And I was able to, bounce ideas off of you and your expertise. And you were able to give me, a personalized plan for my credit to help me get where I needed to be.
okay. So once purchasing the course and all that and going through it, what was your experience with the DIY credit course, to be specific?
Pretty much, I like to fish. Pretty much, I don't want nobody giving me something. So when I seen the DIY credit course, it was like nail on the head because I was able to go through and figure out step by step what do I need to do, and it gave me the videos, gave me step by step on how to do it. So it was just like it was a no brainer for me to simply follow the steps and get it done.
Right. And one thing I want a lot of people to know is like I don't really do a lot of letters. Like the letters is in there, all of the letters in the is in there, right? But
Yep.
I'm really big on video walkthroughs. So a lot of topics I cover and I make videos about them. And then when it actually comes to what you need to do to start repairing your credit, there's a video on that too, right?
Yep.
All right, but so my next question would be, what kind of stuff did you delete from your credit report, if you don't mind us asking?
Um, I had a I had a bunch of medical collections on there.
Mhm.
Medical collections. Excuse me. That was literally my main thing, and understanding the utilization. So once I was able to get rid of those medical collections and understand utilization and help the authorized users that had me on their accounts as authorized users, help them with their
Mm,
utilization, my credit score was able to shoot up tremendously.
and that's a key because when I first looked at my credit report, I realized I was an authorized user, and I was like, okay, cool. But then that person's utilization was messed up, so we
Mhm.
went, we took care of that once we learned that. Okay, okay. So what kind of stuff did you find slash learn in the course that surprised
Man, it's like the whole
you?
idea behind credit repairing, understanding the HIPAA laws, understanding um, that these creditors actually sell your debt to other credit companies, understanding the secondhand bureaus, and understanding who are the major players in the credit game. It's just not Experience, TransUnion, and Equifax. It's a whole nother layer between that. Then understanding the method behind the CFP method, understanding who's above the credit bureau. So it was
Yes.
just like, man, it was just breaking down layer after layer and understanding this is your adult face card. They don't care about what school you went to, what job you have. They want to know your credit score and how much money you have. So if you're a young entrepreneur, business owner, this is what you want to do. Get this and take care of this first. Everything else gonna fall into place.
Exactly. Yes. Okay. So how have you used the information that you learned to help other people after helping yourself?
So recently, after I got the results that I wanted for myself, I've been on the journey of establishing my credit business now. So it was just like,
Okay.
passing up the torch. So I've had a couple clients that are, had some tremendous results. I've been able to remove also some more medical collections. Just then, yesterday, I was able to help somebody remove a repossession off of their credit report. Couple collections.
Oh, Lord.
Yeah,
Mhm.
and inquiry. So yeah, man, it's been
What's
I've
up?
actually I've been able to, help my mom out. She's in the 700 clubs now too. So
Oh man. Okay. Dope, dope, dope. That's the thing. We want to learn this information so that we can help other people. It's not just for you, greedy people, right? So what's the future looking like? Now you got this information and everything. What's the future
man,
looking like?
the future is pretty much unlimited. Like now I have a structured blueprint of what I need to do so that now I can go apply for business funding to start and for to flourish my businesses that I do have. Now I have the opportunity for investments to go into new business ideas and get those out of the way for funding. That was the main thing. So once I'm able to get funding and back the ideas that I want to do,
Mhm.
man, it's unlimited now.
Okay. Okay. Unlimited. I wasn't expecting that. That's heavy. Unlimited. Okay. So have you gotten more approvals now?
Yes. Um, Speaking of approvals, I was able to get approved through the Navy Fed method too. Once I
Mhm.
had everything cleaned up and suited to where I did, we ran the Navy Fed play, and I got approved for that bad boy. Hold up, I can actually show you right
Oh boy,
now.
don't pull out the receipt. Oh man, don't pull out the
Got
receipt.
to, yeah, man.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, mine was over here somewhere. My wallet busting out right now.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay, great, great, great. So not only were you able to fix up your credit, you were able to start understanding it and understanding how to get into the banks and get money from the banks.
your relationships with them, definitely.
Okay. And I guess one of my so what would be one tip for somebody who's on the fence, like, yo, we got the special going on with the credit essentials package. People gonna be able to, I'm gonna tell you, people gonna be able to take advantage of the DIY credit repair challenge, the business credit class, the inquiry removal guide, and what's the last one down? Secret lenders list. So they're gonna be able to repair their credit, understand what they need to do to start building relationships, and then actually know which banks to go to get the approvals they want. I'm gonna be
Yeah.
doing it for
Um,
$25 tomorrow. How much? 24. $24. So what advice would you have for somebody that's somehow on the fence?
if you on the fence and if you don't make this investment to yourself, then don't do it. Because this is this is the investment that's going to open up the rest of the doors. So if you're scared to make this investment, to
Mhm.
understand your credit, to understand where you need to go, where you need to be in your credit journey, and you
Right,
don't need the funding, you don't need anything else because you're not mature, you're not ready for that yet.
right.
But if you're
Wow.
ready, no brainer, go do it. Now you got the power to actually get where you need to be, understand how you got there. Now you know how to fish for yourself. Then you can show your family members, you can show everybody that's around you how to improve their credit, how to fix it, and also you're really giving them a blueprint to start a new business. They
Right.
don't even understand that. Like where you giving them, you showing them how to actually put themselves in position to win on the personal side of their credit, and you're showing them how to establish a business along the way too. So it's like for $24, $25, that's a no-brainer.
It's like they might need to get slapped upside the head if they still on
Yeah,
this
that's why
page.
I'm like, if
Please
it's
click the
if it's
link.
still if it's not making sense to them, then yeah,
Don't join because I don't want your questions. I
yeah,
don't want them.
don't.
Everything is literally there. I make videos about everything. So okay, so before we wrap it up, the last thing I would like for you to leave them with is one gem. You learned a lot over this past few months on
Mhm.
credit and stuff like that. You've applied it for yourself. Give them one gem that they could take and get some results with.
As far as like on the credit side or just anything.
Mm, anything, honestly. I mean,
All
credit,
right,
yeah,
cool.
all the sauces in there for 24. You could give them whatever you want, man. Whatever
All
you
right,
want.
cool. So with this process of the credit journey, and just with anything, give it thanks, give it time, and give it back. So when you give it thanks, you know, thank the individuals that put you in position, showing you how to do this and how you get through it. Give it time, because everything not just gonna come overnight with the credit game, but
Mhm.
it does come at a fast paced method with the DIY credit report and the package, and
Mhm.
give it back. You got the opportunity to share this knowledge with somebody else that needs it, or somebody else that's trying to get something out of life, but the credit is holding them back. Now you got that power to show them, hey, this is what you can do. This is how you do it. You got knowledge now.
Right. Okay.
Act on it.
Wow. Mhm. That's it.
That's it.
That's it. Okay, guys. So look, man. We're gonna be running a special for Cyber Monday. If you watching this video after Cyber Monday, you better hope and pray that they got some type of deal going on, right? Because the Cyber Monday deal gonna come and it's gonna go by fast, right? If you blink, you might miss it. But I want you guys to go ahead, click the link below. Don't overthink it. If you need help fixing your credit, you want to know exactly the process to repair credit, you need help removing inquiries, collections, charge-offs, stuff like that, you'll be able to learn that. Like he said, he used the same method and removed the repo, right? Um, and as far as understanding how to start establishing credit, getting more money from the banks, being able to get funding, get business credit, all of that good stuff, you're gonna learn that as well. So today is your day to learn that. And I appreciate you, Kamal, for hopping on and giving us those gems and sharing your story
Brother.
with us. And for everybody else, we're gonna see you guys inside of the course.